How to fix Dune Awakening network error. Hey guys, if you guys are facing the network error while trying to play Dune Awakening, this is how you can fix it. So the first thing you're going to have to do is make sure to close out your application. Then you're going to have to go to Start menu and then search for Settings. Hit Enter. Once you open up your settings, go to Time and Language, and basically you're going to have to change your time zone. So make sure to disable the Set Time Zone automatically, and then you're going to have to set time automatically. Click on it, and then you can change your date and time. Once you do that, you can try to click on Change, and then try to open your Dune Awakening to see if that fixes the issue. But if you're still facing the error, just go ahead and sync all of these date and time settings, and then click on Sync Now. And it will automatically sync to, if your device is online, it will automatically sync your date and time zone. So once this is done, the next step you can try to do, just go to your Wi-Fi settings, right click on it, go to Network and Internet Settings. And then from here, you're just going to have to go to Proxy. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that this is turned on, automatically detect settings. Make sure this is turned on. And then you're going to have to go to a manual proxy setup. If you click on it, make sure that the use proxy server is disabled. Click on Save. Now the final step is to actually open up your command prompt. Type in CMD on your search bar. Run it as administrator. Click on Yes. And now what you're going to have to do is type in these commands. You could find them on the description and you could just copy them. So let me just go ahead and copy these commands right here and then type it in. Hit Enter. So you're going to have to manually do this. So let me just go ahead and type in release. Do the same thing. We're going to go here and type in renew. Now finally, there are a few other things you need to do. So type in netsh winsock reset. Again, type in netsh int IP reset. Then go again and then type in internet IPv4 reset. Now once that is done, let's just go ahead and do the same thing. Just type in int here instead of internet. So let's just go ahead and type in int IPv4 reset. Hit enter. Do the same thing, but instead this time type in IPv6 and then hit reset. And finally type in netsh int IP TCP reset. After doing all of this, it will reset all of your network settings. Now you can just close it out or type in exit here on the command prompt. Let me just type exit. Now you can just close everything out and restart your PC once. Try to open up the game and see if that works. If this tutorial was helpful to you guys, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.